Hey, it's Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to install this 4-wire power cord on this range. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's get into it. Please use caution when working with electrical components. If you need to purchase a new power cord, make sure you get a manufacturer certified part like the ones that we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. Use the model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part. Depending on the type of wall outlet you have, you will need to purchase a corresponding cord for your use. If your outlet has a 4-prong connection, you will need a 4-wire cord. If your outlet is older, it might have a 3-prong connection and you want to purchase a 3-wire cord. This video will show you how to install a 4-wire power cord for your range or oven. Remove the terminal cover from the back of the appliance and feed the power cord towards the terminal box. Reference the power cord installation instructions for your model of appliance. On this model, there's a diagram located on the rear of the machine near the terminal block. Installing the 4-wire power cord on this model requires us to remove the copper ground tab. If you are installing a 3-wire cord, this may vary. Reference your wiring diagram to verify. Remove the mounting fasteners and attach the corresponding colored wire from the power cord with the wire already attached to the terminal block. On our model range, the red wire is installed on the bottom, the white wire in the middle, black on top, and the light green for the ground where we remove the ground tab. This can vary by model, so just be sure to reference the wiring chart or match the colors to the wires already installed on the terminal. After connecting the power cord wires, be sure all 4 wires are fully tightened before installing the strain relief. Remove the screws from the strain relief and slide the tabs of the strain relief bracket pieces in the strain relief bracket. Reinstall both screws and tighten each side equally and be sure the strain relief is securing the black insulation of the power cord, not the individual wires. Check to see that the wires have some slack to the terminal block. The strain relief prevents damage to the wires in the terminal block when moving your appliance in and out. Too much movement or strain on the wires connected to the terminal block can cause the wires to become loose, heat up, or even damage your appliance. Fully tighten the strain relief and test that the power cord does not move when you pull on it. Reinstall the terminal cover. Plug the cord into the wall outlet and check to see if the appliance powers on. Slide the appliance back into place. And that's all for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.